In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print QuickBooks Invoice from Uphone. If you're working on the go and need a hard copy of an invoice, you can do it right from your phone in just a few taps. Start by opening QuickBooks on your phone, either in your mobile browser or the app, then sign into your account. On smaller screens, the main navigation may be hidden behind a menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. Open that menu and look for Sales. Tap Sales and then choose All Sales. This takes you to the page that lists everything you've sold, including estimates, sales receipts, and invoices. Next, let's zero in on the invoice you want to print. To make that easy, filter the list so you're only seeing invoices. You'll either see an Invoices tab at the top or a filter drop-down that lets you select invoices. Once filtered, scroll or use the search field to find the exact invoice. Searching by customer name, amount, or invoice number can save time. When you spot the one you need, tap to open it. This brings up the invoice details so you can confirm everything looks correct before printing. With the invoice open, look for the print or preview option. Tap that to see how the invoice will look on paper. The preview is handy for a quick check of formatting and page breaks. When you're ready, select print. Your phone will open its print options where you can choose your printer, number of copies, color or black and white, and page range if needed. Then confirm to send it to the printer. If your printer doesn't show up, make sure your phone and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network and that your printer supports mobile printing like AirPrint or its manufacturer's app. If you prefer to keep a digital copy first, choose the option to download as a PDF. The file will save to your phone and you can open it in your PDF viewer to print from there. This is also a great way to share the invoice by email or messaging before or after printing. If the layout looks too small on the page, try switching the orientation to landscape or adjusting the scale in your phone's print settings. That's all there is to it. Go to Sales, tap All Sales, filter to Invoices, open the invoice you want, then print or preview and choose print or download as a PDF and print from there. With these steps, you'll have your QuickBooks invoice printed from your phone quickly and confidently.